As the countdown begins, 9 more days to the Sounds of Africa Festival 2.0 at the Garfield Park in Everett. Have you been wondering where to go this summer? Well, the Sounds of Africa Festival is the perfect place for you to go and immerse yourself with the rich and authentic African culture and tradition, food, fashion, clothing, and a lot more on Saturday 17th August from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Are you a music enthusiast? If so, we will be having a live captivating music performances by renowned various band groups artists like Pabobo Jobate, a Kora Masterio who hails from the Gambia. The Kuyate Arts.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ganzango West African Music and Dance Group. Selassie as Soldiers. Wawak Bidu Choir Kids and a lot more. The Sounds of Africa Festival is an opportunity for various communities in Washington State to come together to immerse themselves in the rich and authentic culture and traditions of Africa, promote peaceful coexistence, and facilitate meaningful business exchanges between the African community in Washington and other communities, all for free of charge. Attendees will have the invaluable opportunity to explore traditional African cuisines, fashion, and music. Be one of them to enjoy the moment. Just like last year, the Sounds of Africa Festival 2.0 will be filled with fun and various entertainment activities, such as fashion show to showcase African clothing, a dance competition, and captivating live music performances by various African bands and artists. There will also be vendors of different types, foods, clothing, arts and crafts, and other businesses and community partners who will sell, display, or give away different products and services. This is your perfect opportunity to try different African food. If you have free resources to share, African food, clothing, jewelries, accessories, or other products or services to sell or give away, the Sounds of Africa Festival is the perfect place to be at on August 17th. Whether you own a restaurant, a grocery store, real estate business, hair salon, beauty supply store, or any other type of business, this is the perfect place to promote your business or sell your products to over 1,000 people, including Africans and the greater Washingtonian community for free of charge. This event is not just a show, it is a gathering of our community to honor the beauty and depth of African heritage. It creatively showcases our diverse cultures and personalities, celebrating the depth and richness of our tradition. Let's come together to appreciate the artistry of African fashion and connect with each other through music, dance, and culture. To sign up for one of our 60 booths, fill out a vendor's application form or contact Wawak on 425-758-3269 or 253-235-2132 or email us on info@wawak.org or visit www.wawak.org. Sounds of Africa Festival, bringing African food, music, and fashion to Washington State. Be there or nowhere.